So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max are Snapdragon 750G, 6.67 inches, Full HD Plus display, 120Hz fast refresh rate, 108 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 4820 mAh battery, 33 watt fast charging. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. There are 3 storage variants of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max: 6GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. There are 3 color variants of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max: blue color, black color and rainbow color. This is the front side of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. This is the back side of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. The expected launch date of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max will be in the mid of the December. In my opinion, the expected price of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max should be below 20,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.